Hey everyone, Denise here, and welcome to 50 Friendly Fitness, where we're bringing to you more target exercises that are geared specifically for those in my age group, 50 and above, those who are overweight, or those who haven't worked out in a while. These exercises will be for you. Today's featured workout expert is Brightside, and they're going to show you 5 moves that are good for your butt and for your thighs. So I just got done doing these myself, and I will tell you that it's a good workout. So I hope you enjoy.